Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So today I want to come on and do two 3-ingredient vegan recipes from Trader Joe's. So I got these recipes from a YouTuber called NikkiVegan, and she actually has 5 2-ingredient recipes on her channel, but there were 2 that really interested me, so I thought I would come on and do them. So they're really quick, really simple, and again, just 3 ingredients. So let's get started. So the first recipe is a vegan peanut udon noodle salad recipe. So this is the Trader Joe's peanut udon salad, noodle salad, and it calls for the Trader Joe's Sriracha baked tofu, and then just baby spinach, if you guys can see that. Okay. So in Nikki's recipe, she warmed up the baked tofu, so I think that I'm going to do the same thing. And I'm going to go ahead and get that started, and then I'll come back and we'll go ahead and put together the actual salad, and then we'll put the baked tofu on top. So I'll be right back. Okay, so we're just going to sprinkle a little bit of olive oil in the pan. Move it around a little bit. Excuse the fingers. This tofu has 2 Sriracha tofus in it, but this is just a single recipe. I'm going to go ahead and just use one and just warm it up. Okay guys, so while the tofu is warming up, we're going to go ahead and move over and get our spinach together and our peanut udon noodle salad. I went ahead and I rinsed off my spinach. And then I'm going to go ahead and put in the Trader Joe's peanut udon noodle salad and then toss it. So in the recipe that Nikki used, it came with peanuts. And we're going to use those last, so we'll set them aside. And this is what it looks like. So we'll go ahead and put that in the dish. And then it comes with a dressing. And we're only going to use 3/4 of this dressing. Let me put everything to the side. So I'm just going to break it apart and just toss it a little bit by hand first, and then put in just the 3/4 of the dressing. Put in 3/4 of it. I don't know if you guys can see. It's kind of low. Sorry about that. And then go ahead and toss it a little bit more. It's not tossing very well with my with my plastic fork, so I just use 2. I meant plastic spoon, so we'll just use 2 forks. And so this is what it's looking like. And then we're going to go ahead and get the Sriracha tofu, and then we're going to cut it up and put it on top. She was suggesting that you cut it really thick. It's nice and warm. Ooh, it's more than warm. It's pretty hot. Okay, I'll grab a bowl. I don't know if you guys can see that really well. Bring my nuts over here. So this has got a lot of good vitamins in it. And then the protein with the tofu. Let me grab a few more. Uh-oh. Then I'm gonna grab the tofu and put it on. And then a few of the nuts. And then sprinkle a few nuts on. And then just maybe a little bit more dressing. Oh, you guys, I am so sorry. I do not have on my light. I was wondering why it was so dim in here. I cut it off for a minute because it gets so hot. Yeah, my apologies for it being so dim. But yeah, that's the finished product. So it's just 3 ingredients. It's really fast just to brown and toss everything. But everything is just really delicious. And I love noodles. I'm actually gonna grab a little mouthful. So this is the first 3 ingredient Trader Joe's recipe, and we are going to move on to the second one. So that's that one, and I will be right back. So the second recipe, guys, is the healthy chili boat, and it was with cashew, the cheese. That's what she named it, but they don't have the specific cheese that she used. They don't sell anymore at Trader Joe's. So I'm going to use the vegan buffalo dip. And it's plant-based and it's dairy-free, but it's like a cheese. So I'm going to warm it up, and then I'm going to warm up the chili also, and then we're going to put it inside our potato. So I'll get started with that. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I got the chili warming up, and we're going to go ahead and put in some of the cheese. You guys can really see it. I'm not going to use a whole lot. I'll show you how much I put in. But I'm going to warm it up also. And then we're going to put it in our baked potato. My sweet potato is like huge. So we're going to go ahead and smash down some of the insides, and then we're going to let everything else warm up, and then we will be right back to put it all together. Okay, guys, so I'm back, and the next thing we're going to do is just smash down the sweet potato a little bit. This sweet potato is much bigger than the sweet potatoes that I usually get. But, you know, I just got it because I wanted you guys to, I don't know, have a big version of potatoes. And now we're going to grab the chili, and we're going to put some of the chili in, and then some of the cheese. Now, when Nikki used her recipe, she used chili soup, but I'm actually using canned chili, the organic. So that's that. Let me show you guys a little. That's what that's looking like. My battery is about to die, so let me hurry up. And then we're taking a little bit of the, I hope you can see this really well, a little bit of the cheese on. And you don't have to use Trader Joe's. You can use bread and just kind of make up your own. I'm going to use a little pepper, and then show you guys the finished product. So that's it. It's just really simple, really tasty. I'm going to taste a little bit for you guys because I haven't used this cheese with it before. Yeah, it gives it a little zing to it. Excuse me, but if you love cheese and chili, the cheese gives it a little extra zing, and then the sweet potato is just a really nice flavor. I think the next time that I'll do it, I'll use a different type of cheese to see what Whole Foods has. But yeah, it's pretty good, guys. So it's simple and quick and just 3 ingredients, these 2 recipes. But NikkiVegan information will be in the description box below. So subscribe to see more beauty, hair, and lifestyle content every Tuesday and Friday. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment below what recipes you'd like to see next. Stay healthy and happy, and remember to keep pursuing your goals, plans, and dreams. You got this. Bye, guys.